Welcome to
अपना ज्ञान लो.
Today, the first attempts to organize the elements. A new chapter. With over 100 elements, scientists needed a smart way to organize them. Today we meet the very first attempts. Let's begin. There are over 100 elements. Studying each one separately would be impossible. So scientists tried to classify them into groups with similar properties. The first real attempt came from Döbereiner. He arranged similar elements into small groups of 3, called triads. A triad is a group of 3 elements that behave alike. And there was a neat pattern. The atomic mass of the middle element was about the average of the other 2. For example, in lithium, sodium, potassium, sodium's mass is roughly the average of lithium and potassium. But there was a problem. Only a handful of triads could be formed, so it did not work for most elements. Question time. Döbereiner grouped similar elements into sets of how many elements each? Pause and think. Yes, 3. A group of 3 similar elements is a triad. The next big attempt came from Newlands, and he had a musical idea. He arranged the known elements in order of increasing atomic mass. And he noticed that every 8th element had properties similar to the first, just like the 8th note in music repeats the first. He called it the law of octaves. But it too had limits. It only worked up to calcium, left no space for elements yet to be discovered, and sometimes forced unlike elements together. One more question. Newlands found that every 8th element repeated similar properties, like musical notes. What did he name this law? Pause and think. Correct, the law of octaves. Just like the 8 notes of a musical scale. Though limited, these early attempts set the stage for a much greater one, Mendeleev's periodic table. So remember. We classify elements to organize them. Döbereiner made triads of 3. Newlands gave the law of octaves. Both were limited, and both led towards Mendeleev. Next time, the breakthrough. Mendeleev's periodic table, and the bold predictions that made him famous. That is all for today. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to
अपना ज्ञान लो.
and ring the bell, so you never miss a new lesson. See you in the next one.